saw bear. I saw dog. I saw dog. I saw dog. I saw dog. I saw mouse. I saw
That's not a mouse.
bunny rabbit.
Yeah.
I saw kangaroo. I saw sheep. I saw zebra. I saw bear. I saw fish. I saw tiger. I saw fish. I saw everything. I saw kangaroo.
Wow! That is awesome, Raihan. You saw all of them at the zoo yesterday?
Huh?
That's really great. There's a lot of animals on this page, and you know which each and every one of them is.
I see.
Is-
Kangaroo. I saw sheep. I saw bunny rabbit. So bear, I saw bear, I saw dog, I saw cat, I saw zebra, I saw sheep, I see sheep.
Wait, is
I
this the
see
sheep or the bear or the sheep? Which one is the sheep?
the zebra, see sheep.
Okay.
I see the bunny rabbit, I saw dog, I saw bunny rabbit, cat, mouse.
There's no mouse here though.
I saw parrot, I saw elephant, I saw a tiger, I saw fish.
Wow! That is just awesome, Raihan. You're so good. You know each and every animal on here, and you saw them in the zoo today.
And see tag.
Okay.
Tag. What's that?